Welcome to Trend TV, where we explore the finest in tech and design. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury with the Apple Watch Series 11 Hermès Edition. This premium smartwatch combines cutting-edge technology with the elegance of Hermès craftsmanship. Let's take a closer look. The Hermès edition of the Apple Watch Series 11 isn't just a smartwatch, it's a statement piece. Perfect for those who appreciate high-end fashion and advanced technology, this watch redefines wearable luxury. The Series 11 Hermès Edition offers exclusive handcrafted leather bands, available in bold new colors and classic Hermès styles. It also includes custom Hermès-designed watch faces that are both stylish and functional. This watch is crafted with stainless steel or a new titanium frame for added durability while maintaining its luxurious feel. The MicroLED display delivers sharper visuals and more vibrant colors, enhancing both its functionality and its aesthetic appeal. Equipped with health monitoring tools like blood pressure tracking and enhanced sleep analysis, the Hermès Edition blends elegance with practicality. With watchOS 11, you get seamless synchronization with your Apple devices, as well as exclusive Hermès widgets and app customizations. The Apple Watch Series 11 Hermès Edition is set to launch in September 2025 alongside the rest of the Series 11 lineup. Pricing will start at approximately $1,299, depending on the band and material options. What sets the Hermès Edition apart is its timeless design and luxurious materials. It's perfect for those who value elegance as much as innovation. That's the Apple Watch Series 11 Hermès Edition, where luxury meets technology. What do you think about this stunning collaboration? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trend TV for more updates on the latest in tech and design. See you in the next video.